So, good evening to one and all. My name is Advocate Ajay Wagh. I'm a practicing advocate from Pune. I'm practicing advocate from last 23 years. The topic which is given to me is about the human rights. So, whenever we are talking about the human rights, there are certain human rights which we have to always think about. And when we are talking about human rights, we also have to think about the human duties. So, human rights and human duties both are equal. When somebody wants to enjoy the human rights, at the same time, he has to keep in mind that there is a reciprocation, that is, the duties which also one has to perform while enjoying the human rights. To starting with the human rights, there is a right which is called as right of liberty or right to life. So every person, irrespective of his caste, creed, religion, sex, color, every person who born on this earth having right of life, so he can enjoy his life to the fullest. Then also the human rights says that every person are equal before the law and have the same rights and duties. So every person at whatsoever time when he require the help of law, they can easily get that help. In case if they want to file a case against anyone, or if there is someone who has filed a case against the person, then he can exercise that right and he can either put his case, prove his case, or other side, he can defend his case. Talking about other right, that is right freely to profess a religious faith. That religious faith practiced both in private and public. That means every religious person can perform all the necessary activities by which he can pray or he can perform his duties. The duties which are already there in every religion. The next right is right to freedom of investigation, opinion and expression. And here person is free to speak, free to express himself. So expression may be oral expression or expression may be by writing. It is also called as a freedom of a press. Something which I want to write it down. Here again, social media is also covered under that. So whosoever want to express their views, their thoughts, ideas, so there is no restriction, there is no binding. Only thing is that whenever somebody is trying to express himself orally or in writing or through social media, they are supposed to keep in mind that their thoughts and ideas should not be an ideas which is going to create problem to the society. Talking about next right, that is right to the protection, the law against abusive attack upon his honor, his reputation and his private and family life. So every person have that right, that he has to see that every person who can honor that person. So whatever dignity which is carrying, he is supposed to maintain that dignity. Nobody can challenge his honor. And by this way, he can enjoy his professional life and personal life because dignity is getting maintained. Then, talking about next right, that every person have a right to establish a family and basic element of a society. That means man is a social animal, and when man is a social animal, he must have to enjoy his social life properly. There should not be any sort of a problem while he is enjoying his social life. So he can freely there in the society, he can freely move around the society, and he can enjoy his life to the fullest. Talking about the next right, that is all women during the pregnancy and nursing period and all children have the right to special protection, care and aid. As we see that there are different labor laws, and under that different labor laws, every woman, she is getting a leave from her job. So that leave is there with pay. So whatever time she is going to be leave, whatever time for which she is going to be there for his pregnancy, for his delivery period, she is always going to get payment for that leave period. And so that protection is given to that pregnant lady, that is prior to her delivery, at the time of delivery and also after the delivery. So that is something which is a right which she is holding. Talking about next right, that there is a right to an education which should be based on the principle of liberty, morality. Here, every person, irrespective of his financial background, every person who is from any sort of area, but every person have equal right to get himself educated. Whatever area where he wants to get educated, whatever knowledge which he want to acquire, he can freely acquire that. So there is no restriction of any sort, or there is no discrimination based on anything by which can stop him from taking that education. Talking about the next right, that is the right to take part in a cultural life of a community, enjoy the arts and to participate in the benefit that result into intellectual progress. Here, this right says that every person can freely enjoy his cultural life, whatsoever culture which he is belong, or whatsoever culture which he is following. So he can easily enjoy his culture. To enjoy his life, cultural life of that person is also important, and to enjoy that, whatever art or whatever cultural activity which is going to make his life more enjoyable, he can easily do that. Let's talk about next one, human right. That every person have the right to work under the proper conditions and to follow his vacation freely. So here, what they mean, that a worker working in any company at that place, the place must be proper place. It is a workable place. So the condition where he is working, that place has to be a place where he can work in a such a manner by which he can give 100% of what he can give it to, and for that purpose there has to be proper working condition which is there. At the same time, that person has to also enjoy the vacations after working for a week, after working for a month. Whenever he want to go for a vacation, he can easily go and he is permitted. So that's why it is called as a leave with paid leaves. And the reason behind all that he must have to work at the same time, at a time when it is required to go for a vacation, he can go for a vacation. So here, all these are nothing but which are getting covered under civil right. So these are the different civil right which every person have. There are few more rights, that is right to associate with others, to promote, exercise and protect his legitimate interests of a political, economical, religious, social, cultural, professional, labor union or other nature. So that means that whatsoever association which every person wants. If I want to be a part of a particular trade union, if I am working with a particular company and in that company there are a few trade unions, if I am comfortable with particular trade union, then I can be a part of that trade union. That trade union is nothing but an association of a people. So here, when we are talking about human rights, men and women have equal human rights and opportunities. So these are the different human rights which is given to every person of the society, which they can enjoy, and by enjoying they can have a peaceful life, they can enjoy their life, they can enjoy their professional life. But as I told, that when you want to enjoy the life, when you want to enjoy the human rights, you also have to think, or you also have to keep in mind about the human duties which you have to perform. So wishing all the best to all the people. Let's enjoy the life, because you are the person having coverage of human rights. Thank you.